Video we're going to review and give you 3 profitable Amazon KDP keywords that you can get started creating low content and medium content books for. We're going to also talk about ideas on how you can over deliver and provide an extra value to make your books rank easier, faster, and to make them stand out among the competition. The keywords that we will talk about are all profitable. They are low competition, high demand. Also, the bestseller score is amazing and the keyword niche score is also great as well. And in order to get all the profitability data, we are using a total of 4 free Chrome extensions to analyze the profitability of these keywords. If you'd like to access all 4 Chrome extensions and learn how to use them correctly, I've also done a in-depth video linked in the description box below. You can go ahead and check it out after this one in order to learn how you can use the 4 free Chrome extensions to analyze the profitability of Amazon KDP keywords. Now, before we get started, go ahead and subscribe to the channel if you are looking for daily profitable Amazon KDP keywords. And the first keyword for the day is autism books for kids 5 to 7, and it has a wonderful keyword niche score of 65 by Self-Publishing Titans Chrome extension. Also, the total results are around that 1,000 range, which is ideal. The total results for this keyword is 1,573, and the average bestseller rank is under 300,000, which is ideal, and it's sitting at an average of a low 71,118, indicating that there is a lot of books that are selling under this keyword. Also, the average reviews are 3,330, and the average price is $12.45, indicating that the majority of these books are either short stories or workbook type books that are actually having content in there as well. So what you're doing right now is you're creating autism books or books for autistic children between the ages of 5 years old to 7 years old. So you do need to put in a lot of effort when it comes to the covers as well. Make it engaging, make it colorful, and make it clear. Also, the contents, it's for ages 5 to 7. It's not indicative whether it is for girls, for boys, for specific kind of like scale of autism, whether it is severe or whether it is light symptoms of autism. So it's up to you whether you decide to niche down or whether you would decide to just keep it general and keep it brief and just create books for kids 5 to 7 that applies for all genders. So for example, here we have the list of, we're going to ignore the first top 4 that are sponsored because there is ads running and the ads really kind of mess around with the results here. So we want to get an example that has no ads running. For example, here the 5th result is All My Stripes, a story for children with autism. And this is a great example. This is a short story for children with autism. And they've chosen a character which is a zebra, and it symbolizes the range of scales on the autism spectrum as well. So this is a lovely thing. Another result right here, which is another short story, and it says I'm Just a Kid, a social emotional book on self-regulation. And this applies for children who have ADHD, for children who do not also have autism, but who have some, issues with self-regulating, as most kids nowadays do, or, struggle with that in that sense. So they've been smart. They did not use the word autism in either their title or their subtitle, but they did use it as part of their 7 keyword slots. And I really like the strategy of this seller right over here. Fully independently published by Amazon, which indicates that it is an independent publisher. Also, they have created a part. So this book is a part of a series of social emotional books, and this is the first set of book in that series. So great to see that beautiful bestseller rank of 16,075. Also, when it comes to the category, it is listed in children's self-esteem books. So this is a great category to choose when you are uploading your book. The rest are, to do with short stories, but I do like this one. This was an autism activity book for kids, and it includes 50 fun exercises for children. Now we're going to go ahead and explore this this keyword. We're going to search it up to see if it is profitable. So it's specifically for children between 4 to 8, but they have chosen this keyword, autism books for kids 5 to 7, as part of their 7 keyword slots, as it is not mentioned in either the title or the subtitle. And it is also selling quite well with a bestseller score of 45,365. Also, just before we dive in to this result right here, I'm going to copy and paste this, take it to Creative Fabrica, and see if we could find any sort of interiors or maybe some graphics that could assist us and that could help us with creating such books. So I've got autism books for kids 5 to 7, and if there is no results right here, then we're just going to go autism workbook and see what we could find. So as I suspected, there is no results. So I'm going to go ahead and write autism workbook and workbook, planner, journal, and make sure that you change it around. Make sure that you make it as brief and as clear as possible for children 5 to 7. It could even be for children to monitor children with autism between the ages of 5 to 7, and this is something that a caregiver or grandparent or a parent would purchase, or even a teacher working with special needs children who are autistic. And think about what kind of activities or what kind of log sheets would a teacher or a parent need in order to monitor the everyday kind of routine of a child with autism, or maybe monitor their development, monitor their activities and so forth. So keep an eye out. It's a wonderful niche that could have a lot of potential. So we did search the keyword autism activity book for kids, and it gave us marvelous results, and it is profitable. So that's really nice to see. So the first keyword was autism books for kids 5 to 7, and the second keyword is autism activity book for kids. It has a keyword niche score of 50 and a total results of 2,109 and an average bestseller rank of 395,081. Also, the average reviews are 3,750 and the average price is $10.01. Beautiful results right here for the word autism activity book for kids. We have also wonderful results such as this one, which features the same book. This one's Autism and Me, and this is more of a activity book for children ages 8 to 12, and it's includes 35 exercises, quizzes, and activities to empower children with autism. So they have included that keyword right over here, and I highly advise you to utilize it. Let's have a look at a third and final keyword for the day, and our third keyword is wedding planner for a bride. Bestseller score is amazing. So the keyword niche score is also great as well, and in order to get all the profitability data, we are using a total of 4 free extensions so it is to analyze the profitability of these keywords. If you'd like to access all 4,000 extensions and learn how to use them correctly, I've also done a in-depth video linked in the description box below. You can go ahead and check it out after this one in order to learn how you can use the 4 free Chrome extensions to analyze the profitability of Amazon KDP keywords. Now, before we get started, go ahead and subscribe to the channel if you are looking for daily profitable Amazon KDP keywords. Also, you can go ahead
templates available at Creative Fabrica for the wedding planner that's specifically for 2024. It would be great to see if we could also use any wedding planner that we can, and we can include a calendar of 2024 and make it customized that way as well. So I have a list of 7 KDP interiors, which is great to see for this one. And this was our third and final keyword for the day. If you enjoyed today's video, like, share, and subscribe. I'd love to have you on board. Take care. I'll see you in the next one. Bye bye.